these days some buyers have again started for asking for HIG compliance as well.
Huh? Which one?
HIG.
Okay.
It's
As
a
long
compliance related to energy saving and water saving, especially Kiabi brand.
Mhm.
I'm in discussion with Kiabi for business in France. But then again, they are looking for the factories or the vendors who have the BSCI plus HIG compliance.
They're Europe is becoming very stringent. They're asking for various compliances. Abhi compliance.
Absolutely.
So that is something that I don't know. As a Rajiv ji, you're on various of these industry bodies also. So industry bodies में आपका discussion क्या होता है? You know, when all these new the countries are asking for compliances. What is the industry's view on that?
Listen, compliance तो मतलब this is the need of the hour and we as industry have to abide by that. अब हमारे पास choice तो है नहीं ना कि हम कहें जी हम नहीं करेंगे. As long as you work for the Indian market, क्योंकि Indian domestic market में अच्छे brands भी generally ये चीजों पे focus नहीं करते. Internationally करना है तो फिर brand की requirement अगर जैसे white labeling करनी है कि they say we work only with these factories who are compliant on these parameters, have these certifications. तो we have to abide by that. वो करना ही पड़ता पर force और कोई choice नहीं है. और gradually अब तो mindset industry का बन गया mindset, अब तो सब कर ही रहे हैं जो international trade में है.
क्योंकि अभी जो पूछ रहे हैं about energy conservation and all that, India में it is not that easy also. Energy low energy cost लाना है तो the kind of technology अपने grid से ही नहीं आता. So how do you manage that? These are challenges which are more not just for one factory but for general industry in itself.
एनर्जी पे तो खैर अभी इतना इंसिस्ट नहीं कर रहे हैं.